Hi, this is Home and Ideas channel that discuss about home decoration and design. And this time we will talk about blackout curtains for bedroom that harmonious with room color and style. While you are watching the blackout curtain for bedroom in this video, you can listen to an explanation of the types of blackout curtains and how to choose the best one. Consider investing in blackout curtains if your sleep is frequently disturbed by sunlight or bright lights outside your window. These curtains resemble regular ones but contain a blackout lining that effectively blocks light from entering your room. In addition to preventing disruptions, blackout curtains can improve your overall sleep quality by regulating your exposure to light before waking up. Various studies have shown that fluctuations in light exposure during this period can negatively impact sleep quality, disrupt circadian rhythm, and cause early day fatigue. Blackout curtains resemble typical curtains, yet they possess an additional layer or lining. This layer serves the purpose of preventing external light from penetrating your windows, ensuring a dark and tranquil room for optimal sleep. In addition to light blockage, blackout curtains aid in regulating the temperature of your home and dampening external sounds, further enhancing your restfulness. Blackout curtains serve a dual purpose. Not only do they effectively block out light, but they also function as a decorative element alongside other window treatments such as shades, blinds, or curtains. The selection of the ideal blackout curtain is primarily based on individual preferences and the overall aesthetic of one's home. When shopping for blackout curtains for your room, there are a few factors to consider. The drapery style, size, and price point will all be important to take into account. Experts recommend considering these elements when making your decision to ensure that you get the best product for your space. For curtain style, make sure to read the fine print in order to prevent potential disappointment. Ensure that the description mentions blackout rather than room darkening or light filtering. For drapery style, using draperies with rings provides a more user-friendly experience. Additionally, if you desire blackout line drapes, it is probable that you will open and close them on a daily basis. Blackout curtains are available in various drapery styles, including 1. Grommet. These curtains feature rings or holes in the fabric through which the curtain rod passes. 2. Ring. Fabric panels that hang from rings at the top, which can be attached either by clips or smaller grommets. 3. Single rod pocket. These curtains have a channel sewn into the fabric, allowing the curtain rod to smoothly slide through. 4. Fabric loop. As the name implies, small loops of fabric are sewn to the top of the panel to accommodate the curtain rod.
you.